Uddhav Thackeray to take review of BMC's COVID preparation. He has called a meeting of the top civic body officials today. In fact, later this evening is when that meeting has been called for at his residence at the Varsha Bungalow in Mumbai. Disha is joining us live with more inputs on this. Disha, the last we heard Uddhav Thackeray was when he made a public address to the residents of Maharashtra saying that an observation period will be on for the next 8 to 10 days. Today, immediately 2 days later, he's decided to take a review of BMC's preparedness. Tell us what exactly is on the agenda of this meeting.
Well, the Chief Minister of the state, Uddhav Thackeray, had reiterated that if the cases continue to rise specifically in the next 8 to 10 days, then possibility we could see a second wave of COVID coming in, not only here in Mumbai, but across the worst affected districts in the state. So keeping that, of course, in mind and seeing that how Mumbai is very well prepared, because remember, Afrida, in the last 3 to 4 months, Mumbai, in terms of COVID cases, had actually seen quite a lot of breather, only reporting about 200 to 300 cases, and now of course it has gone up to 900, so it is sort of a worrisome situation. So what is the medical infrastructure as far as upgrading that is concerned? So that, of course, Uddhav Thackeray would want to know from the BMC chief and all the top civic officials, of course, to know exactly, if at all, if a second wave really comes in, then what kind of situation is the BMC prepared? So as far as we know that today that meeting is going to be held between the civic official and the Chief Minister of the state, Uddhav Thackeray, for that matter, at about 4:30 is what we are being told. And of course, as far as BMC is also concerned, yesterday the chief did take a meeting with all the top officials to pass on certain instructions of reopening the jumbo centers, reopening the isolation, and the quarantine centers which were shut in the last 3 to 4 months in a phase-wise manner. So all of these are the preparations, of course, that the BMC and the state Chief Minister will have a conversation when they meet today.
Yes, Disha, stay with us. We spoke about Mumbai and BMC. We will also speak about the state at large now. Stay on with us. There has been an 81% rise in COVID cases since last week in Maharashtra, with the state recording over 5,200 COVID cases and 18 deaths in the last 24 hours. In some relief, 0 deaths were reported in Mumbai in the last 24 hours. In the wake of the alarming situation, stricter curbs now being imposed in districts like Buldana and Ahmednagar. In Buldana, essential services now limited from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m., while in Ahmednagar, Section 144 has been imposed till the 15th of March, and large public gatherings are being banned completely. So let me go across to Disha once again. Disha, you've been taking stock of places where there is a tendency for huge gathering, and there are a lot of those spots in Mumbai. The idea, the immediate focus for the civic bodies, from what I can see, is to identify the vulnerable areas, the hot spots, and seal them so that they can arrest the spread. What exactly is being done towards this end, given the numbers that we are looking at now and the rate of increase from last week?
Well, certainly if you talk about Maharashtra's overall picture, Afrida, what we saw that a fortnight ago, the positivity rate was anywhere between 3 to 4% of the state, which directly jumped to 10%. So you can see that how in a speedy manner the cases gradually and significantly started to increase, specifically in the state and few districts of the state, including Mumbai for that matter. And that is why, of course, now the reasons that are attributed to this particular fact is about large gatherings, reopening of the local trains, and people not taking very seriously the COVID rules. So as far as the large gatherings are concerned, considering February is known as the wedding season, in all of these districts, a lot of weddings had really taken place, where a lot of people, over 400, 500 had gathered, and that is why we are looking at a spike in the COVID cases in concern. and to ensure that there's a curb in this particular COVID infection, they are now going ahead and deploying marshals, specifically Afrida, in all of these districts and even Mumbai city for that matter, to do a
Yes.
surprise check on such wedding halls, on restaurants, on pubs where there are large gatherings to avoid the spread of the COVID infection that we are looking at large in the state.
Absolutely. Thanks, Disha, for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for updates. We are also now going to talk about the Mumbai mayor taking stock of the current situation in the city with 761 fresh cases recorded in the past 24 hours. The mayor was seen distributing masks at a vegetable market during a surprise visit in the city. The mayor was also seen appealing to people to wear masks and maintain social distancing norms. Let's listen in.
मार्केट है, लोगों की ये सब लेने के लिए बहुत ही भीड़ होती है और ये सब्जी मंडी या सब्जी या बाकी चीज़ों की नीड है। लेकिन इसका मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि कोरोना है और भूल जाए। कोरोना का रुग्ण बढ़ रहा है तो मुझे लगता है मुक्कापट्टी लगा के थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रख के अपना काम करके निकलते तो कोरोना को रोकने का जो प्रयास चालू है उसमें हम सबसे सुन